Hi there, students. Genuflection. Okay, so genuflect is to go down on one knee and get up again as a symbol of respect. Now, when I started thinking about this video, I thought I just want to do the video about genuflect. But I think we ought to go into the idea of to take a knee and to kneel as well. So to genuflect means to bend one knee so that one knee touches the ground, and then you get up again. It's being respectful. It's showing respect. It's showing deference to somebody. But nowadays we have this thing of taking a knee, and this is to kneel on the ground but with one knee. And this today is a show of respect to or protest against racism. Yeah, if you take a knee against racism, yeah, you're bending down on one knee publicly, and it's a public statement against racism. So let's see, genuflection, you go down on one knee, you take a knee, and then you get up again, and this is an action of respect. Yeah, to kneel is when you go down on both knees. So when you're praying in church, you kneel on both knees and you stay there for quite a while. Yeah. But genuflect is to go down on one knee or bowing your knee, and this is the idea of genuflection. Yeah. Kneeling involves the two, and I think to take a knee, this is definitely genuflection, although genuflection is just normally quite a short one. Going back to this idea of take a knee, it originally was started by an American football player called Colin Kaepernick, yeah, in 2016, yeah, against racism. So to take a knee, to kneel down on one knee, to genuflect, to make a reverence, and to kneel more time on both knees. Notice this verb to genuflect, the verb, and genuflection, the noun of the quality. You can also use this to be meaning to be terribly deferential, to be servile, to grovel to somebody. So the press is genuflecting to the desires of the government. Yeah. I wonder if the Conservative Party still genuflect to Margaret Thatcher. I don't know. Okay, so to genuflect to venerate very much. I think you can use this critically as well. The bureaucrats were genuflecting before the president, doing exactly what he wanted, what he said. I think if you genuflect to somebody, you're giving them a great deal of attention and respect, but very often if you think the person doesn't deserve it. Yeah. So I think this is probably a journalistic phrase as well. So I think at the moment Belarusia is genuflecting to the whims of Mr. Putin. I can understand it. Maybe very often the British have genuflected to the desires of the Americans. Yeah, so to genuflect, to give a lot of attention, a great deal of attention and respect that maybe is not deserved. Okay, let's look at some formality. So to kneel, 5 in formality, use anywhere. Take a knee, 5 in formality, use anywhere. To genuflect, ooh, this is much more formal. I think I'm going to give it a 7 in formality. Use in a semi-formal writing or a formal writing. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Latin genuflecto, to bend the knee. I'm thinking of, in French, genou, meaning the knee. Yeah? Okay, so, but in Latin, genu, meaning the knee, and flecto, to bend. So, to bend the knee, and that's the idea. But genuflect, this is a much more formal verb. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Genuflect. Take a knee. Kneel.